आज भी सड़क पे चलते कोई हमको ऐसे करके चला नहीं जाता, आज भी ऑटो में बैठते कोई ऐसे नहीं कर देता।
First time I realized that I was a woman is when I saw a man looking directly at my chest, and that made me extremely uncomfortable.
A lot of women, when they are on their period, they are not allowed to visit the temples. It should just be removed.
Just leaving everything behind and following somebody else's dreams and rules.
औरतों को सिर्फ मर्दों की मैस्कुलिन से कंपेयर किया गया है. If she is not masculine, she is not strong.
एक तो मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता है कि ये जो ऐसे कर लेते तो उसमें खुशी कैसी खुशी प्राप्त होती है।
So, like everybody knows that last year I couldn't honestly come up with a calendar. The only reason being that I wasn't in probably the correct state of mind.
So you know what? I was not even in Mumbai जब मुझे अमित का कॉल आया और उसने कहा कि हमें इस साल कैलेंडर करना है.
I was very excited when Amit told me about the concept of this year calendar of women empowerment, and it was very powerful concept and much needed for the society.
वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट इज सच अ सेंसिटिव टॉपिक एंड इसे शूट करने के लिए हमारा सबका दिमाग सेम पेज पे होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था.
Dates are locked, concept is final, frames are ready. At this point, क्या कुछ गलत हो सकता है?
You're not allowed to shoot, come on. That can't happen. Shoot नहीं कर रहा. What do you want? What do you want? Take it.
But we'll figure this out.
मैं करूँ क्या एकदम? नजर ना लगे.
अच्छा.
Jaya ma'am was somebody who I have been admiring and through her various works.
The strength of women combined with देवी, क्योंकि भारत में औरत को देवी ही माना जाता है, पर सच में माना जाता है.
To one, it might just appear that here we have someone sitting in front of an idol of the goddess. But for me, actually, you see the goddess through the woman and not behind her.
Men and women are equal. Equality has been granted to women. Is it really true in the real world?
So I'm shooting with Gulki for the first time in this calendar. I'm so glad that, we eventually worked together because we've known each other for a while. I just reached out to her with a very difficult concept about love.
Love किसी भी age में हो सकता है. It's absolutely fine, and love is हर एक age पे if you fall in love, it's such a beautiful experience.
Women are, honestly judged when they are probably dating somebody younger than them. Men are not.
It was a fabulous shoot. It was a fabulous experience.
I see people talk about how far women have come and how much they have achieved. It truly makes me feel empowered.
So honestly, I was super excited. I was shooting a concept in an auto where we had Jamie in it taking the driver's seat.
I don't think we ever took it, fully understood what it is to be a woman until you grow up and you become mature and you start observing the women around you.
Jamie's concept honestly isn't really only about driving an auto. It's about actually driving one's destiny.
There's so much hard work sitting behind this wheel here. I just had to be here just for a couple of hours. Not even a couple of hours, but there are people who are riding the rickshaw all day long. Very, very few women who have decided to take this as their profession. Hats off.
We went ahead, shot with Akanksha, and I mean, obviously she's a trained dancer and she knew exactly what to do, and it was a lot of fun.
Anybody can be anyone. You can be a boss. You can train anyone. You can teach dancing to anyone. So it's not that कि आप अगर एक lady है, एक women है, तो आप नहीं कर सकते. So it's about equality in every sector of life, and that is what I felt makes this special for me.
None of those boys actually knew how to take a Bharatanatyam stance. A very dear friend Karan, who was behind the camera shooting the reels. I don't know if many people know about this, but he's a trained dancer and he did come to our rescue.
Suddenly अमित सर मेरे पास में आए और मुझे उन्होंने धोती दी कि ले जा चेंज कर.
It just added so much more character and perfection.
So it was a concept about a young girl standing against the world in general, standing her own grounds no matter what comes her way, no matter how many people come and go and how many people are against her. She holds firm her grounds.
It was a very daring one where she was standing on that parapet of the terrace. It was also the first time actually that she was wearing a sari. So that was something that I was pleasantly surprised by.
A misconception about feminism. Wherein people think it is women or girls are greater than men, but it's about equality, that all genders are equal. So I look forward to a world of feminism, a world of equality.
And I love the way that she conducts herself, so I'm so glad that we shot on this calendar together. You know, honestly, when I was thinking about representation of the LGBTQIA, I honestly could only think of Rohit because I'm very, very close to him. He's a very dear friend. Always is around as a friend. People might see him in various forms and various temperaments, but I've always seen him as somebody extremely lovable, and he showers me with a lot of love.
Of course, slowly and slightly the mentality is changing. Trans women are taking part into Miss Universe and Mrs. Universe. The campaign like this inspired a lot of women out there, trans women, and you're doing a fantastic job. And I always believe I'm a gift to the world, the best you have and the best will always come back to you.
I mean, I wouldn't have been able to get a better representative than Rohit, and thank you for doing this.
So Tina is an old friend. I know her since long, and it's always like fun to shoot with her. We are very comfortable with her.
We are celebrating friendship, women supporting women, but Tina as a friend is very precious.
I think it's a beautiful concept because female friendship itna hum cherish nahi karte hain, and we don't celebrate also as much.
So I feel this, the whole concept runs around this, and it's so beautiful to see, and I'm so happy to be a part of it with this amazing team.
Swara is a beautiful girl as well, so I think both of them have made this whole concept so relatable, unique, cute, and I had a great time shooting Tina, and I love shooting with her.
Smile. I was very excited when I was there for August month shoot where it was showing the concept of a diversity of India with the different cultures, different people.
I wanted to bring up the Indian flag through various cultures that exist in our country.
It was very different. I don't think someone would have ever done this concept.
I was thinking, who am I going to take for this one? And then suddenly I just had to look nowhere because they all pretty much appeared in front of me. It's their good luck that I am surrounded by them. I'm so glad that I could, reach out to the women in my family, my mother, my sister, my Masi, my cousin sister. Divya's mom, came by. Biltu's mom came by.
Very excited to bring all of them together and make like an Indian flag.
I had a fab time doing this shoot, and I don't think that all of us as a family and as friends will be able to forget this. I think it's going to be in our memories for a very, very long time.
So Diandra के concept में हम दो लड़कियां दिखा रहे हैं, एक थोड़े अपने middle age में है और एक थोड़ी young है. I mean, but they both are confident. This is showing to the audience that age actually doesn't matter. Age is just a number.
For me, being a woman is just being myself and being authentic, and I think that's the best thing and the best quality, and I think I'm known by that now. So,
luckily, we got a very good lighting at that time. We try to play with mirror and reflections.
This is the first time I'm working with Amit, and it was wonderful shoot. Concept was really nice. So overall, it was really wonderful.
Diandra के साथ में shoot करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया because she was very fun and loving.
This concept is proving the world wrong, showing this world that no matter how much you try to underestimate women, they are stronger than you think.
When I approached Shweta ma'am for the concept which she's portraying, the woman in the uniform, it is again a concept which didn't have any image that I could look at and say that I want to do something like this. It was something that the actors had to give it to me on the spot.
श्वेता मैम के साथ काम करने के लिए मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी बिकॉज बचपन से उनको टीवी पे देखते आई हूँ और मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी उनके साथ काम करना.
And this uniform, I'm so proud to wear this. Thank you so much, Amit, for letting me wear this and believing me that I can carry this power in me.
Rahul is a very dear friend. I've known him since years. When I spoke to him about the calendar, I told him that it's a women-centric calendar, and he just told me that I am all up for it.
Women are outdoing men in a lot of ways. Fashion means, any department you check out and you realize a woman has already sort of conquered it all.
And that actually truly made me understand that it's great when a man is so pro women empowerment. I'm so proud of him to do this, and thank you for doing this. Shooting with Aneri is always an amazing experience once again. We had a concept where she was depicting herself as a strong force of nature.
We have a fire element, then we have a water element, then we have a wind element, then we have a little earth element.
This was something that I've never done before, and I also just saw my pictures and I told Amit कि ऐसे pictures मैंने कभी खिंचवाए नहीं है.
Also, another perspective of looking at this picture is she is not someone who needs to prove her purity and walk through fire, so she's calming it down by pouring water into it.
Fire safety concern was also on the top priority to make sure that everything goes smooth.
My eyes were burning while I was shooting it, but her expressions were bang on. She is a delicate girl, but to portray such a strong and powerful concept, she completely nailed it, and I'm glad that we could produce this picture together. So I've honestly said this a lot of times, and once again I'd like to say that whenever I have a tough concept to shoot, the only person that comes to my mind is Divya.
दिव्या के साथ में शूट करने का बहुत मज़ा आता है गाइस. शी इज़ और बड़ी. द कंसेप्ट वाज अबाउट वुमेंस डिज़ायर, एंड सोसाइटी में हमेशा वुमेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा जज किया गया है इस चीज़ के पीछे. एंड शूट के दौरान हमें ये चीज़ सीखने मिली है कि लाइक वुमेंस के भी बहुत सारे डिज़ायर्स हो सकते हैं गाइस, एंड इट्स टोटली फाइन.
The whole point of my living is being quite a strong woman. I always feel like I should have the guts to, take it wherever it goes. It can go positive, it can go negative, but that should not stop me from not doing anything or not wanting anything.
In whichever thing we take her, she does complete justice to it. She becomes that character.
More of the physical, I feel, emotional intimacy plays such a big role in a woman's life when she is involved with someone.
It's always inspiring, it's always motivating, because there's no boundaries to you. You can always explore yourself, always experiment yourself.
I would really like to thank Pankaj for his immense support in this calendar. Without him, I don't think I would have been able to do this. It was the longest calendar shoot of my life. A lot of thanks to Karan and Harun. They have done a fabulous job on the reels. Bharti, who has tirelessly worked in these 10 days. Victor's team. We are like always working together. We don't really imagine things without each other's presence in terms of shoot. Also, I'd like to thank myself.
हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. आपने अच्छा तो देख लिया, अब ये वाला भी देख लो.
This was one of the most scariest experiences probably of my entire career.
So one moment I am just making BTS of Jamie. She's like having fun with the auto, and
I think she kind of pressed the accelerator too hard, and we lost control over the auto, and she kind of just zoomed off.
I thought she'll stop, but no, she didn't.
I was just frozen for a couple of seconds, and then I heard this loud boom, and I don't think I slept for like 2 nights post this.
मुझे आपकी गाड़ी का टेंशन है.
टीना के शूट में हवाएं हमारे फेवर में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी.
So वो शूट हम बीच में कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे बहुत हवा चल रही थी एंड बार-बार बाल बिखर रहे थे.
Also, when we were shooting with ma'am, even though we had booked the location and we had paid for it, we still had somebody coming in and stopping us from shooting. I had a back problem and I had a headache and I got fever and my wrist was broken through this entire shoot and my team had disappeared.
You can do the settings to achieve the motion blur, but you never know कि वो motion blur आएगा कैसा. So we are trying, we are going from right to left, we are trying going left to right, आगे पीछे, diagonal. We have tried everything, and it's not coming. But then suddenly, I heard a voice.
Oh my God!
It's stunning. Yeah.
आज भी औरत को उतना ही स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है अपनी इज्जत रखने के लिए समाज में, जितना कि पहले करना पड़ता था.
I don't know about feeling vulnerable, but I definitely during the entire shoot, if it's the correct word, I felt very feminine, very flowy.
I have a lot of respect for rickshaw drivers. What is this thing? This is not easy to try.
From years, like even in different era, there were men who were learning classical dancing, and I don't know, they are looked down a little in the society maybe.
It shouldn't be girls who should be confined by curfew times. It should rather be the guys. There should be some sense doctrine to them to kind of respect women and respect their boundaries.
I time, we educate them, and I think they can make their own bread and butter. So I wish them all the best.
Female friendship इतना हम cherish नहीं करते हैं, and we don't celebrate also as much.
Is such a beautiful, thing where you can kind of mix a little bit of your personal life with your professional space, and it actually creates a wonderful memory.
We've gone so far away from reality that it's nice to come back to this.
और लोग कहते हैं ना कि औरतें वर्दी के लिए नहीं बनी, तो ये नहीं है कि औरतें वर्दी के लिए नहीं बनी. लोग औरतों को वर्दी में इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते.
Actually, my mum herself is a very strong lady, and so was my grandmother. तो उन्होंने हमेशा बचपन से ही सिखाया है that लड़का और लड़की के बीच में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता है. They are equal.
I think no rule. I mean, we don't need no rules. I mean, we don't need any rules here.
Khurubaru 2026 isn't a calendar that is screaming for attention. It is actually asking for reflection. Through this calendar, even if one image makes us pause, think, reflect, unlearn, I think that the calendar has done its job.
Oh my God.
Please, shut up. Yeah, that's very nice. She took that Bharti's this also.
Buy one, get one free.
And they're like, ठीक है, अब इतनी सुंदर लड़की को हम कैसे मना कर सकते हैं?
करण यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? रील बना जाके. इधर शूट चालू है और इधर देखो क्या चालू है.
शेड बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लग रहा है?
See, I'm not aged before, no? So now I feel like
तो जो भी मुझसे आज करवाना करवा दो.
Be photographed by Amit without heavy makeup, filters.
I've been shat on. Wow.
इसे कहते हैं अंशु की नजर में कभी मत आना.
एक गिम्बल है ना, मेरे मुंह पे मार दो और बोलो मेरा ध्यान.
What's up guys? आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
अब मेरी शादी वादी हो गई, अब मसाले नहीं मिलने वाले.
I'll allow you.
इनको कम closer.
नाच देखने करने जाएगा.
कि हमें देखना है कि हमें तो कौन डांट सकता है.
Exactly.
रूबरू भूल गई. ग्लेयर रूबरू नहीं ग्लेयर आइकॉनिक कैलेंडर. रेडी. ग्लेयर आइकॉनिक
सही बोला ना मैंने? ये तुम लोग ने डाला ना, मैं वॉक आउट करेगा वहां से।
I'm feeling hurt right now, very hurt.
इसे बोल सकते थे ना गिरगांव चौपाटी पे शूट है, वहाँ भूलनाथ मंदिर।
Peace out, bro.